We got a weather report. Wow. We do a bald head shave. Rapport!
How we doing today, fellas? Good! I say, how are we doing? Good! That's good to hear. So on the forecast isn't just Jam's head getting shaved. And not only that, there's a category 4 sales tsunami!
This is our final day in Minneapolis with some bald guys.
Oh yeah.
Okay. We're actually some guys, but we're some bald guys now. Okay. We're just gonna go and get in the backyards and count up panes and then roll out pricing and get people to buy. These guys have got to learn a lot this week, and so follow us. Let's go ahead and finish up with a bang. Saturdays are for the windows. Let's go. You're eating?
I was just eating.
What's for dinner?
I was having a snack. The dinner is yet to be made, so I just came from work.
You gotta invite me back for dinner. And I'll give you a kind of quote on what we're looking at. I'll count them up and then I'll meet you back out in the back and let you know what we're looking at. No pressure, I'm not one of those high pressure guys, okay? 29, 30. I have good news for you, man. Is this your friend?
Yeah, he knows Telugu.
This is the tea. Happy gone numawa. Grutik netalu.
Huh?
No, Telugu? No. My Telugu must be bad. So what we'll do, we have this water-fed pole and brush pole, brush pole to make sure that the windows look clean. And I'm actually going to scrub out the seals with this brush to make sure the seals don't pop and the windows turn opaque.
No, but this one, I mean, we can do the initial, but there is no commitment to do the next one.
So I like to come out for you guys every 3 months.
It's necessary.
To make sure we're taking care of that dust and making the maintenance look good. And then how do I spell your last name?
Let me send me the offer and then.
I can only run the discount today while we're here, just because look at all the trainees. Real quick, what is your phone number?
952.
952. And what is a good email for you? Bro, I want to go to India so bad.
Yeah.
I've got one of my best friends is from India. We're planning.
I'm coming in 1 minute.
No, we're almost done. We're almost done. We're almost done. No. Very cool. Isn't he god of like the war?
Yeah.
See, I know my stuff, man. I got a lot of people. I'm practically half Indian. Poland and Georgia. You heard about it? It's yellow. Do you have friends out there in Cumming?
Yeah.
That's my place, man.
Oh, okay.
I have a lot of clients out there too. I've done a lot of training out there. So, hey, I'm gonna take selfie with you too, so you always remember the bug guy. You ready? Bug guy, you ready?
Bug guy, you ready?
You're fired.
1, 2, 3. Take care, guys. We'll go around this way. We're gonna get our segues up from the front. Dude, I love this. This is fun. Okay, anything?
Best price.
Yeah, best price.
They always eat that, dude. They always eat that.
Best price.
I named my goat Mazer the greatest trainer of all time.
I'm happy you're here on the YouTube page. It's a lot of free content, but if you really want to take this job seriously and treat it like a career, invest in yourself, put a little bit of skin in the game, and let's get on the training course. Guys, I have an iOS app with an Android app coming soon. Plug into this daily. This needs to be like your daily sales breakfast, okay? Consume major sales training every single day before you're on the doors, and you will sell lights out. You'll be at the top of your leaderboard, and people are gonna wonder how you got there, guys. You need to train daily. Hop on the course today. Let's get back on the video. See you soon. Pleasure meeting you. We're doing the training today, so we come in peace.
I'm like, yeah, you're quite a party going on.
And a lot of us are bald. We're close to
There
it.
is a high percentage. And the other two are wearing hats.
I got hair.
And you're afraid to show it because they're all bald?
Listen, they all had hair like 3 days ago.
What are you doing to them?
They volunteered to go bald.
I am taking your hair.
How much of the service is after that? I give you a quote. If you like it, great. If not, I get out of your hair.
Yeah, we're not gonna pay.
But your husband would.
Yeah, but you missed him. He took the bug guy earlier today, and I got this door knock.
Oh, did the bug guy actually come by today?
We have seen the bug guy today, permanent lighting guy today. We have seen 4 bug guys this week.
That's awesome.
It's great. So the neighborhood's also a little, like, the Facebook group's a little active.
It's chirping right
with
now.
The door-to-door.
Any bald window cleaners yet, or first?
You know.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
Well, look, if anybody says anything, like the bald ones are nice, okay?
There's a theory there.
You see right here, these houses are relatively new, correct?
Yeah.
These things right here, behind them, behind the screens, we're getting all of the mud that's causing all of the sills to pop off the frame, and then it messes up the windows and causes them to go opaque. Really, really simple. We do best price, best deal. Do you want to walk with us, or you just want to meet us around back?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we'll meet you around back.
You are not watching football?
No.
We're just the
We have to work. Sanjay, I'll meet you around back, okay? Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Send me an email, I will respond.
Listen, I have a better idea. I will go ahead, because I am in training right now. I'm gonna ask my boss if this is okay. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, listen, he's the boss, the guy with the beard.
Yeah.
He shaved all of our heads bald,
Yeah.
okay? Because we didn't make quota. Instead of doing that first one for the 505, I'm just gonna
You just
level
said
with you.
405.
No, I know, but look, it would go down to 405. I'm gonna get his permission. I'm gonna do the first one today for just 305. That's it.
Listen. I'm not going to do it today. Send me an email. If discount or no discount.
It's no discount.
Yeah, it's fine. So I'll look into it and let you know.
If you don't sign up, they're gonna shave my head again.
Yeah, no problem. It's good. You will look smart. Come on, man.
Okay, take care. When you find somebody from India, you need to ask if they're from North or South. If they're from South India, they speak Telugu.
Yeah.
And one really funny phrase is happy gaundu mawa, which means stay happy, dude. And then krutik netalu is just a phrase that they use for like a goodbye or a hello. Good. And your name, sir?
TJ.
TJ, pleasure to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you. What's your
I
name?
take Austin.
Austin.
I take care of a lot of clients from India out here. What
Okay.
part of, are you?
I'm from India.
What part?
Southern part of India, Hyderabad.
Happy
Yeah.
gaundu mawa.
Yeah, thank you.
Krutik netalu. Yeah.
Thank you.
So we just do the windows out here. I do best price, okay? Now what I'll do is instead of doing, normally the first one is 465. After that, I come out for you every 3 months, really, really affordable, just 315, okay? Every time we come out. What is a good phone number for you, sir?
612.
612. So if you were to call the office any other day, it's full price.
Okay.
But I'm just doing best price for you today.
I'm just watching a football game.
England
and I'm
versus...
enjoying that match. I just don't want to, just quickly sign up something, miss my match.
Listen, it's tied at 0-0. That's good.
Agree. I agree.
Look,
you need to understand what my preferences are, sir.
oh, I know, you like soccer.
And without doing a proper research, I cannot just sign it up for 265 and then keep paying 265 every 3 months.
Every 3 months, yep.
Yeah, every 3 months.
But I want to help you, okay? So look, here's what I'll
Why
do.
didn't you come last year? Just curious.
I just didn't knock on your door. Just didn't. You weren't as lucky.
Whoa, that was close.
Now you get me this year.
Okay.
4.9 stars.
So give me 1 day time. You did knock my door.
I did.
Yeah. You asked me, and you wanted
Count up
to
the window.
immediately sign up the service.
Yes,
Without even letting me think. I'm not going to do that. Would you do that?
I would.
I wouldn't. Just give me 1 day time because I have 4 friends in the same community which we are trying to do, and we will let you know.
TJ, krutik netalu.
Yeah. Have a good day.
You too. All right, well, let's keep it going. There we go, bro. We're killing. Oh, dude, you look good. You look really good. You look really good, bro. Like, this actually looks good. Is there anybody else that wants to go bald before I leave? Here, look, you have the hard water right here. Windows are porous, meaning if you just do a squeegee, it goes right over it. So we have the water-fed pole. It's gonna clean off everything and get into the pores. Does that make sense? So that's okay, but like the thing is, if you wanna go cheaper, you go with them, it's not actually gonna clean the window 100%. I'm never gonna raise it. 405.
Yearly it will be.
Oh my gosh, so cheap. So cheap. And then do you see these? Come check this out, Manoj. I'm gonna be cleaning off all the sills.
It's in summer, while winter is inside.
Winter I'll do inside for you and make it look really nice. That's my boss with the beard. So we didn't meet our quota and he shaved all of our heads.
Oh, yeah. You look
So today I'll do, I can't do it today because we're watching the soccer game after this too. I'm also, get this, come look at this, Manoj. So you see how the gutters, they get a little bit of dirt on the outside and they don't look as clean as they used to when you moved in. Usually companies would charge extra for the gutters. That company right there doesn't do the gutters. I'm gonna clean the whole exterior of the gutters for you guys when I come out for you guys on Tuesday. I'm gonna wow you right now, man, because check this out. You'll like this. Okay, you see the garage right here? Other companies, I just wanna make sure with my boss I can get this. He's letting me, okay? Every single time, I'm not only gonna clean these windows in the garage, the other company, they won't brush down your garage door. I'm gonna do this door, and I'm gonna do this door every time. So I'm basically cleaning your entire house at this rate. Listen. This will make super sense. That sound fair?
Yeah, I think it's not going to work, honestly.
Dude, I'm doing more. I'm doing the garage door and the gutters and the frames and the sills.
We don't need other things. It's only the window cleaning I need.
I'm gonna wash the screens for you. What do I do?
I don't need like any 6 months. I think once in 2 years or 3 years it's.
You have to do it. Professionally recommended twice a year.
See, man, I'm not going to like see and.
Let me talk to my manager real quick. I'll see what he has to say.
We're low on ammo, need immediate backup.
Round 2. Fight.
Well, honestly, I mean, we love to take care of you.
I know. See, this is the business, right? I know.
Yeah,
For
and
me,
I don't want to be the guy that's just using like the squeegees and stuff. Because I'll be completely honest with you. If we use the squeegees, you're gonna be calling us out a month later.
What is 505 minus 375? 130. I'm gonna give you $130.
no, but I didn't understand. What 130?
But I want to help you because you had to put up with me for like an hour, did you not? It's bad. My wife, she has to put up with me too. It's crazy. How do I spell your last name? And we've been missing the game. I think we should just get this thing done and go watch the football game.
Let me talk to her. Go hold it and let me talk to my wife.
Good.
What price did she say?
He's saying 375, whatever the other company is giving.
Yeah.
For outside only, 375.
Oh, you see, inside, outside, both here.
I do outside only, plus the gutters and the garage and the frames and the sills and the tracks and the screens on first floor, 5 screens, 375.
That company is giving, that's why she's saying inside, outside.
But you don't really need the inside done for real. You just need outside done.
It's not my, she will kill me if I agree, right?
She won't kill you. She's thinking about it.
I'm not thinking, I'm doing something else.
Well, then, so is it up to him?
Yeah.
375, you'd be robbing us, and I don't have any food for my kids.
Tell me what, wingy.
505, I do everything inside out.
Inside, it's too much work for us also. We have to remove everything.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Yeah.
I tried so hard.
Yeah, if you change our mind, I will text you.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day, okay? Okay, guys. That was just pure for love of the game. I was willing to go, I was gonna go negative just to get him to say yes. You learned anything at all?
How to harass
You can literally just not stop with them. I'm gonna bribe them to get a sale.
Don't do that. Yeah. I just was like, oh, 375 and I will do. And I'm like, fine, I'll give you $130 cash just out of my own wallet. Just to make him say yes.
I mean, I really like your assumptiveness and like moving too. You're moving a lot. Like,
you did a good job when he hopped in. We did, it's like tag team wrestling. We just like slap him in.
And I'm like, Austin, go to the front.
Dude, he was not paying attention though. He was looking the other way.
Bro.
And stuff. I was just
Dude, those windows in the garage were so dirty.
Let's go back towards the car. Can I get one for Connor, please?
Okay.
How we doing?
No soliciting. Do you have a license to be going door to door?
Oh, no, I'm just I'm popping over from down the road.
No,
I take care of some neighbors
Do you have a
here.
license to be going door to door because you're breaking the city code if you are not licensed?
Okay, I got you.
Going door to door. You should leave us alone. And
my
leave my
apologies.
neighbors alone.
Cool. I got you. Have a glass one.
Get the objection. You need a mover. Okay.
Move. What? To her prison downstairs? Or?
Wait. Is there a whole tuft of hair right here that I didn't get? Oh wow, there is. All right. So look. I need to kind of like take your hands and like shave your, like rub your head off.
Rub the hair off.
Yeah, here. Ready, smile.
3, 2, 1.
Do you want to see me do poetry or not? One head at a time.
Austin, my life is now over. I'm not even 20 and yet, since you scalped me this morning, I've aged 10 years.
I understand, Connor. I also once had strings on my head, but now I can feel the cold touch on my pillow when my head hits the bed. You may miss it now. Soon you will realize your true potential.
No, I lost my identity. My driver's license looks like witness protection. I hated it at first. Now, I kind of lean into it.
You today, Joe, while he sleeps tonight. I'll save this world one head shaved at a time. I'll eventually grow an army and eventually rid the world of these strings.
Let me hear.
You want to hear? All right. I hate that he's smiling right now. Thank you for witnessing the lowest point of my week.
That was
Come on, dude. He didn't give me a donation. Guys, come on.
Listen, this is good for you, bro. This is your script, and you need to say Ode to Watermelon, a slam poem. That's your start, okay?
Ode to a Watermelon, a slam poem. I lost. Not quietly, not gracefully. I lost. A door-to-door sales competition. The kind of loss that follows you home. The kind of loss that sits in a passenger seat without saying a word. Every no, every slam door, every missed opportunity echoes. People tell me, you'll get them next time. Next time? Next time? I need comfort. Watermelon. Sweet, glorious watermelon. You don't judge me. You don't compare my numbers. You don't ask how many sales I got. You simply exist. Seeds scattered like tiny reminders that life keeps growing. With every bite, the sting gets quieter. But tonight, my only victory is standing with a spoon and one enormous watermelon that believed in me when the neighborhood did not. Thank you. This is my slam poetry. That's good.
That was powerful.
That was good.
That was awesome.